Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Podcast, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Jane.
Good day, Jane. Hello, everyone. I'm Joseph. How are you doing today, Jane?
I'm great today. The weather looks beautiful, the sky is blue, the sun is shining. It's actually a perfect day.
Yes, I agree.
I went for a walk this morning. It's my daily exercise, and I could feel the warm sun on my skin.
That sounds nice. But something happened yesterday.
Oh, please share.
Yesterday was so windy that I had to stay at home. I couldn't go to work. I looked out the window and begged the wind to stop.
Did the wind stop?
No, the wind didn't listen to me. It turned a deaf ear to my words.
Well, speaking of wind and sunshine, that's our topic today.
Really?
Yes, today we are talking about the weather, sunshine, rain, wind, and 4 seasons, which are autumn, winter, summer, and spring.
This would be a very useful topic. We talk about the weather in our everyday life.
But first, we have a small request from our listeners.
Yes, please. If you like our podcast, please click the like button and subscribe to Daily English Podcast.
And share this episode with your friends and family who wants to improve their English.
Thank you. It helps us create more helpful videos like this.
Okay, Joseph, now let's begin. First question, what is the weather like today?
What is the weather like? It is nice.
It is, but in English we have many special words to describe the weather. Let's learn them together.
Okay, I'm ready.
The first word is cloudy. Cloudy. That means that there are many clouds.
Like clouds in the sky.
Yes, cloudy, C-L-O-U-D-Y. When there are lots of clouds, we say it is cloudy. You can't see the sun.
Cloudy. I like that.
The next word is sunny. Sunny, S-U-N-N-Y. When the sky is clear and the sun is bright, we say it is sunny.
Like today.
Yes, like today is a sunny day.
I love sunny days. It's always peaceful.
Me too. Now, the next word is rainy. Rainy, R-A-I-N-Y. This is when water falls from the sky.
So, when it rains, we say it is a rainy day.
Yes, and on rainy days, you need an umbrella.
An umbrella? What's it used for?
An umbrella is an object, thing you hold over your head. It keeps the rain off you. It's spelled U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella.
Oh, I kept 2 umbrellas at the office, but I always forget to bring them back home.
Even on rainy days?
Even on rainy days. I sometimes go home wet.
That is very Joseph of you.
We live different lives, Jane.
True. Okay, the next word is windy. Windy.
That means lots of wind.
Yes, windy. W-I-N-D-Y. When the air moves so fast, it blows up your hair, or even your hat.
It can blow your hat away. I don't like windy days.
No one does. And the last weather word for today is snowy. Snowy.
Snowy. I love snow.
Yes, S-N-O-W-Y, snowy. This is when white snow falls from the sky. We call it snowy. The ground becomes white. Everything looks clean and beautiful. Okay, now let me ask you a very important question. You want to ask about the weather in English. What do you say?
What is the weather like?
Good. You could also say, how is the weather? Both are correct.
Let me try. What is the weather like today, Jane?
Well, today is sunny and warm. The sky is blue and there are few clouds in the sky.
Good. I can use this answer every day.
Yes, and here's something interesting. In countries that speak English, people love to talk about the weather.
Why?
Because it's a common topic. Everyone knows how the weather is. It's a good way to start a conversation.
So if I see someone, I can say, the weather today looks great.
Exactly. Or you can say, beautiful weather, right? People will always respond to you.
It's a good way to make new friends.
It is. Now let's talk about the 4 seasons. We have 4 seasons in a year. Can you name them, Joseph?
Yes, autumn, winter, spring, and summer.
Perfect. Let's start with autumn.
Some people call it fall, right?
Yes, they do. In British English, it's called autumn, autumn, but in American English, many people say fall. Both are very much correct.
It's called fall because the leaves fall from the trees.
Very correct, because the leaves change color from green to yellow, then orange, and sometimes red. It is nice during fall.
When I walked during autumn, I stepped on dry leaves that made a sound.
Yes, dry leaves crunch under your feet. It sometimes sounds relaxing when you walk.
The weather in autumn is cool and nice.
Yes, cool means a little bit cold, but comfortable. But you'll need a jacket, not a big heavy sweater or coat, just a light jacket.
I heard farmers harvest food during autumn.
You're right. Harvest means to collect crops from the farms. Harvest. Harvest. Farmers harvest oranges, bananas, pineapples, and coffee seeds.
I love coffee. Autumn is wonderful. Hot coffee, fresh pineapples, and the fresh air outside. Autumn is nice.
It is. You go outside seeing the leaves falling down. You just know this is autumn.
So, leaves fall during autumn. What's the second season, Jane?
The second season is winter. Winter is the coldest season. The days are short, it gets dark early, it snows almost every day.
In winter, I wear lots of clothes and layers. A shirt, then a thick sweater, then a coat, a scarf around my neck, a hat on my head, and gloves on my hands.
Layers. Layers means many pieces of clothing, one on top of the other. Wearing layers is the best way to stay warm during winter.
I look like a fluffy toy outside in winter. I hardly move my arms. But inside my home, it's warm and comfortable.
It is. During winter, I drink a hot cup chocolate with marshmallows.
For me, I just sit on my sofa under my blanket watching movies.
My blanket and I are best friends in winter.
What activities do we do in winter?
In winter, you can also do fun activities like skiing on mountains. You can make a snowman. Some people go ice skating. Ice skating is where you have your skating shoes on, then wearing your thick coat, you glide across the thick ice. It's fun, especially with friends.
So, in autumn, we say it's chill, and in winter, it's cold and freezing. What's the third season?
The third season is spring.
I like spring a lot.
It's a beautiful weather. The environment becomes warmer, the days become longer, and flowers begins to blossom.
Blossom. What does blossom mean? Blossom means flowers open up and show their colors. It could be pink, yellow, white, orange, or purple. It's spelled B-L-O-S-S-O-M, blossom.
In spring, everything turns green. The trees get new leaves, birds come and sing on trees, and the temperature is perfect.
What activities can be done during spring?
Well, you can go for walks, you can ride a bicycle, you can sit outside, talk to friends, and enjoy the fresh air.
But in spring, it also rains sometimes, right, Jane?
Yes, spring can be rainy, but it helps the flowers grow.
The rain helps.
It does. Now, the last season is summer.
Summer, my worst season.
Why don't you like summer?
It's always hot during summer.
Yes, summer is the hottest season. The sun shines very bright and the days are long.
In summer, I take ice cream every weekend to cool off.
Every weekend?
Yes, especially in the afternoon on weekends.
People don't always cool off with ice cream in summer. They sometimes go to the beach. They swim in the sea. They wear shorts and bikinis. Bikinis are two-piece swimsuits that women wear. One piece covers the top and the other covers the bottom.
They also wear hats and sunglasses. Very cool sunglasses.
Yes, sunglasses protect your eyes from the sun rays, and a hat protects your head from the heat.
On summer evenings, I also like to have hot dogs.
A hot dog is a grilled or steamed sausage served in a partially sliced bun. It can be prepared by boiling or grilling.
And it's spelt H-O-T-D-O-G, hot dog.
That is a wonderful summer activity. Good food, warm evening. The only problem with summer, it is sometimes too hot, and when it's hot, we all sweat.
I sweat a lot.
Sweat is the salty water that comes from your body when you feel hot. S-W-E-A-T. Sweat.
When I sweat, my shirt is always wet. I change them every 6 hours. On very hot days, you can say it's boiling. Not really boiling like water in a pot, but it means very, very hot. Or today feels like an oven. And the last sentence, the sun is beating down on us.
So, Joseph, after talking about all 4 seasons, which one is your favorite?
That's a difficult question. I love winter for the hot chocolate and marshmallows, not forgetting ice skating with friends. It's the best time to get together.
It is. My favorite is spring.
Spring? Why spring?
Because after a long, cold winter, spring gives you hope. Everything becomes beautiful and peaceful. The flowers blossom. The birds fly happily and sing. The perfect warm air comes back. It feels like a new beginning.
Wow, that is a beautiful answer, Jane. You always know how to make everything sound nice.
Thanks. Always remember that every season has its beauty. You just have to embrace it.
Every season has its beauty. You are a poet.
Before we finish, let's quickly go over today's lesson.
Great idea. Let's see what we covered.
Today was all about the weather and the 4 seasons.
We started with some everyday weather vocabulary: sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, and snowy.
We also learned a useful question you can ask in daily conversations. How's the weather today?
It's an easy way to start a conversation with almost anyone.
After that, we explored the 4 seasons one by one.
Spring brings blooming flowers, comfortable temperatures, and plenty of rain in many places.
Summer is usually bright and hot. It's the perfect season for cold drinks, vacations, and outdoor fun with family and friends.
Autumn is known for its colorful leaves, cooler weather, and the time when many crops are ready to be picked and harvested.
And winter is the coldest season. We often wear warm layers, enjoy cozy evenings with hot chocolate and marshmallows, and in some countries, snow covers the ground.
Don't forget these useful words. Boiling means extremely hot, and freezing means extremely cold.
We also added several new words. Joseph, can you say them?
That's right. We learned words like umbrella, blossom, sweat, harvest, layers, and freezing.
I'm sure we learned a lot today.
I agree. I hope our valuable listeners learned something new too.
That's all for today's episode. We had a wonderful conversation with you.
Thanks so much for spending your time with us on the Daily English Podcast.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss future episodes.
You can also leave a like and share this episode with someone who is learning English. It helps us grow.
Before you go, we'd love to hear from you.
Yes, please tell us in the comments, which season do you enjoy the most and what makes it your favorite?
For example, I love spring because everything feels fresh and the flowers are beautiful.
We can't wait to read your answers.
Thank you so much for listening. Take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and keep practicing your English.